You see that how they are feeding the babies pigeon. Ah, cute.
Wow!
Egyptians, they are really crazy for the pigeon. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. I'm not supposed to do an update today for my crew, but I have some good news. If you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like, and share, bell button for more notification, and I'll see you in a while. So, ito na nga guys. This the thing. My crew make another egg. I told you in my last video, I feels like one of them were going to make egg. And it is. I'm gonna show you guys. They are eating now. So, ito yun, yung sa blue. The blue, two eggs here. And this is our crew. Oh. And mommy there, another mommy is still not yet scared. And that one as well. Little bit scared, guys. And that one. So, there's two. I don't know what happened with this one. Where's your kids? I've not yet seen that she's feeding the babies. I told you last time, the blue, I feels like it will make egg. And it makes egg. Ay, natakot na siya. Scared. Sorry. So, I'm gonna sit now. Natakot na siya. Yun. Diba? Crew! How are you, crew? Yan, hilig nilang itapon yung pagkain nila. They love to throw the food. Diba? I think I disturbed them. That's the water. I think I need to refill their water. I'll just make this up, guys. The water. Yun, para marami silang tubig. Last time, guys, I showed you there's two pigeon here. And we want them to make eggs also. But by chance, we knew that they are both lady. We released them both, and the same time they make love to some pigeon outside. Both of them. That's why they are keep fighting inside. My God, we get scam. Actually, we buy the two pigeons because they are mixed from some kind of pigeon also. And we want them to make pigeon the same look of them because it's like little bit curved their tail, so it looks very nice and very cute, guys. I'm so sad we get scammed. That guy, he told us that this is partner, one man and one lady. I will not return them. Actually, they are very cute, and inshallah, they will make the same looks of them. Because they are very cute, guys. So if they go down, I'll show you. Because they are both up now. Nag-iingay na sila kasi mga busog na. This the one, guys. You see? It's very cute. It's different because it's curve. It looks very cute. I want to keep it in my bed actually. Look. Oh, crow. Look sexy, crow. Oh, you hear that, guys? Mommy is feeding the babies pigeon. Someone's disturbing them. They become big actually. I feels like they want to fly too. See? I will stand up. Yeah, guys. See, mommy? This is the husband of mommy. Hello. They are hungry. It's eating. Look how it's eating, guys. Oh my god. You see that, guys? Yeah. It's my first time to see that kind of thing. Oh, they're so cute. You see that how they are feeding the baby's pigeon. Ah, cute. Hi. And the mommy and the daddy keep eating. Ah, stop flying, Kru Kru. Keep eating a lot, eating a lot. So I'm putting so much food also. So the daddy already came down and mommy is still feeding. This to daddy, guys. He will eat. He will eat, then he will go back to feed again. And mommy is still giving food up. Okay. Oh, cute! Ah, where this one? Where you want to go, Kru Kru? Oh! You jump to mommy. And this the other block. This one, guys, the black one, and this is the blue one. This is black, this is blue. And this the other black. This one also to be up. Why they are fighting? They're fighting by the wings. Is this daddy? I think, yeah. This the other mommy, guys. She run here and she leave the babies. She leave the egg. She want to eat also. She eat little and she drink water. She's running to the eggs. Her baby. See how they are taking care of their kids. This one is very naughty. Let mommy eat. This one want mommy also. Let her eat. I will give to mommy alone. Mommy. This one. Yeah, you're safe here, mommy. So why? She always eat here with me. If they finish the food that I'm giving her, if finish also, she's coming to me. She know already. Because she need to feed two big pigeon babies. VIP yarn. That's the turret, guys. Inshallah, they are the next. You know, guys, most of the houses here in Egypt on their roof, like us, they have also the house for the pigeon. They are really crazy for the pigeon, guys. They are eating the pigeon, that's why. And it's very nice actually, and it's feels really so good to take care of the pigeons. But really, Egyptians, they are really crazy for the pigeon. They are making some very, very big houses here in our neighbor as well. They have also, I think, chicken. Yeah, it's very big also their roof Say hi, Crew Cruz! Hi, Crew Cruz! Diba? Saya-saya. Okay, everyone, that's all for today. Unexpected update for my crew. I'll see you on my next video, guys. If you are new in my channel, click subscribe, like, and share, bell button for more notification. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye!